I'm Dorothy, and today we're making strawberry cookies. These cookies are like sugar cookies with tons of strawberry flavor. They're so delicious. That strawberry flavor shines through. I really wanted to make a strawberry cookie, but I was having a really hard time using fresh strawberries because the puree or chopped up strawberries would just add too much wetness, too much liquid to the dough, and I wasn't getting that soft and chewy cookie that I wanted. So to combat that problem, I'm using freeze-dried strawberries in this recipe. Freeze-dried strawberries come in usually a 1 ounce bag. All you have to do to add them to the cookies is to put them in a food processor and just run that food processor until it's like a dust, kind of like a straight freeze-dried strawberry powder.
Once you have that all processed, it'll be a fine powder. Just set that aside for a little bit. We're gonna start off by whisking our dry ingredients, which is 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And just whisk those together and then set that aside. And then we'll deal with our butter and our sugar. We're gonna cream that together just like any cookie dough recipe. 3/4 cup of unsalted butter that's been softened and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. And you can use a hand mixer or a stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, and you're just going to beat that for about 1 to 2 minutes, depending on what mixer you're using, until it's nice and fluffy and creamed together. You can use salted butter, but you'll want to reduce the added salt to 1/4 teaspoon. Once that is nice and fluffy, you'll know it's all creamed together because it won't look grainy anymore, but it won't. You want to make sure that you just do a couple of minutes just to get all of that butter incorporated with that sugar. Super simple. Then it's time to add 1 large egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then you're gonna add in that freeze-dried strawberry powder we made earlier.
Could also add some strawberry extract to this if you have that or if you can find it. It's hard to find. Sometimes online you can find it, but I find that the freeze-dried strawberries add tons of flavor.
Go ahead and just mix that together until it's nice and combined and pink, and then we're going to mix in the dry ingredients that we whisked earlier.
The best part about using freeze-dried strawberries is that you can make these cookies all year long. You don't have to wait for strawberry season.
Now, I asked my readers online if I should dye these like a more vibrant pink color, and the consensus was leave them natural. So if the color of them isn't as pink as that you would like, feel free to add a few drops of red or pink food coloring to this. Once you have the dough mix, it'll come all together just like a regular sugar cookie dough does. And then you're gonna scoop these. I am using a 2 tablespoon cookie scoop. You can make these any size that you want, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon, or anything in between. I love using a cookie scoop because it makes them all even and the same size. Once you've scooped them onto your cookie sheet, make sure that you line it with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat, and you're gonna wanna space them about 2 inches apart. I did just drop these on here because I want to roll them into cohesive balls. You can tell that they'll look, if you just cook them like this, it'd be fine, but they'll look a lot prettier if you roll them between your palms. And then you're going to bake these at 350 degrees for about 10 to 14 minutes.
Once they're done and baked, they're a beautiful pink color, and you can see all those flecks of freeze-dried strawberries in there. They smell like strawberry cookies. They're soft and chewy cookies, and they're perfect whenever you want that delicious strawberry flavor in the form of a cookie. If you want even more strawberry flavor on this, you could also make a little bit of strawberry drizzle using some of that powder. So much strawberry flavor. They smell so good. These are delicious. Do me a favor, if you love dessert, click that follow button and subscribe because I post desserts every week. If you love these, be sure to keep watching for even more desserts.